We have been talking about this all week, and today is the big day. We have those experts here from H&R Block who've been answering calls for us all day, helping you with your tax questions. We also have had a team of experts here to help us as well. One of them is Mr. Tony Huffman, who is an accountant in our area. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
So can you talk to us about some of the big changes you're talking to some of your customers and colleagues about as far as the tax code changes?
Look, just on the individual tax basis, the big one is the drop in the tax rates, which is significant for most people. The other is the change in the standard deduction. You've probably been over that a couple times today, but that's going to benefit a great deal of people, especially people who are older, maybe who have paid off their house, don't have state and local income taxes like they used to. They're going to get an automatic tax benefit because the standard deduction doubled. Also been talking to people about, look, it's not as simple as it's been made out to be. The simplification of the tax process, we went from having a 2-page form for the 1040, which is now a 6-page form for the 1040. So I just want people to be on the lookout for that may be a little bit more difficult than it has been in the past. But I think people are overall going to be surprised that their overall tax liability has gone down. So what I tried to do is compare their 2017 liability to their 2018 tax liability, and about 95% of my clients have seen an overall drop in their tax rate.
Wow, and I know that we've mentioned too that a lot of people have been getting paid more throughout the year in small increments, so they may not have noticed it. What's something you're telling folks as far as the ones who are shocked when they see their refund?
I'm telling them, don't be shocked because you got your money during the year, and collectively, if you look at your whole tax situation for 18, you'll realize you paid less overall taxes than you did in 17. Yes, you may have gotten your tax refund in bits and pieces over a 52-week period, and your refund may be a little smaller, but if you look at all those components, the increase in your paycheck over the year plus your refund, I think you're going to find that they ended up actually getting more money back than they traditionally do.
Mr. Huffman, again, we thank you so much for your time. We also are thankful to the team from H&R Block and the professor from Jackson State who helped us with what we were doing today. And of course, we thank you who called us in with those questions. In the newsroom, Terrence Friday, WJTV 12.